Alright, hello New World. I just want to show you how to make a Discord bot one on your Discord server, or how to get it online real quick. What you need first to do is you need to go to discord.com slash developers slash applications, and you're gonna be going there a lot, so just memorize it. You click new application, and you call it new application. I just call it new because I made it. What you first need to do is create the bot. You come on this page, you add the bot. Yes, do it. We're going to do it. So you need this. Next, you need to is a auth URL generator. Go on auth here, URL generator. Click bot. There we go. And we go administrator. You click bot administrator. Go down here, click the URL. You copy it. Here we go. We copy it into a web browser. We need to put it in a server. We are going to put it in this Pugline server. I'm a human. So anyway, now it's in my server here. New, but it's not online. So we want it online. So what we're going to do is we're going to go on replit.com. You need to create a account in here. Once it's created, it looks like this, your front page. You can click new Replit, new folder. Don't ask me, and so we create a new folder. And I have this code that we put in. We put this code in our new folder. Just take a picture of this code. This is the code you need. So now there's a token. You remove that. You go on. We're gonna do this so no confusion. We go on discord.com slash developers add applications. And where is my new bot? It's here. So we click it and we go under bot again, and you need this token. You click reset token, yes, and you can only see it one time. So save this token somewhere and don't give it to anyone. So you put it in here. You go on the Replit again. You put in the token, and you click 1, and now it should run. It just takes a few moments though. So while this is just installing and getting ready to run, I want you to show something. Also, this website. Go to this website, discordpy.readthedocs.io. English stable intro, whatever. Remove this intro, but you go here. And then you click here, first steps, introduction, and you need to install these libraries. If you don't install these libraries, it's not gonna run. So you need to install these libraries. And how you do that on a Windows computer, but you go in the command control, and you type right in this one. This is the Windows one, and I think it's Linux one. But anyway, so you install this. You need to go on this website and install the packages. Run this code, one on the Replit, and you have an online bot. Now it's online. So I wish you all a good day, and have fun with it. And again, I just wanted to show you because then you have something to do. You can create whatever you want. I'm making a price runner. You can make different price runners, maybe a music bot or whatever you want to do. So you have a good day, and goodbye.